I can tell you that it does not matter what your background or circumstances are. You have 100% control to make. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have shared many videos on real estate investing and some videos on personal finance related topics. I know there is a lot of information for you to learn and implement this past year. The good news is that you are above 90% of the population out there when you know how to save 20 to 30% of your take-home income. Can you imagine that 58% of the US population does not have $5,000 in savings? Today, I want to share the fun part of life after we achieve financial independence after 8 years of investing in cash flow properties income. We travel often to visit new countries each year with our children. The whole point of financial independence is to have the freedom to do more things that make us happy and fulfilled. Traveling makes us happy. Traveling the world strengthens our bond with our sons and creates lasting memories for us to cherish and to give us smiles when we talk about them. We believe it's contributed to a life well lived. I want you to know that you can and should consider dream big dreams, and you would be surprised to live those dreams in reality. Let's say you will achieve your financial independence in an 8 to 10 years plan. What would you like to do more of? Would you be a volunteer ski instructor at Whistler Ski Resort? Perhaps volunteer at a senior home center. We all have our own definitions of life well lived. I hope this video will inspire and encourage you to focus on building your own plan for your financial independence. And along this process, you will integrate some big dreams that you have in mind into your plan and have them scheduled on your calendar to turn them a reality. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then make sure to subscribe so you will not miss my future videos. My name is Korianne. I am a real estate investor since 2001. I make videos to share my real estate investing journey that got me to be financial independence after 8 years of investing in cash flow properties. Hope to inspire you to invest in cash flow real estate so you too can achieve your financial independence, build a legacy, and make an impact on people around you. Being financial independent can and does mean different things to different people. It all comes down to the life events that happen to us and how we decide to make change when the event no longer serves our needs or design. Number one is you should have some big crazy dreams. It does not cost more to dream big. I took my first international trip back to my homeland 27 years ago. I only had 10 days to visit my family because that was all I could afford to take time off. On my flight back to the US, I thought to myself, it would be nice if I can visit my family for 1 full month instead. It's weird to have big dreams even though I knew back then my financial resources would not allow me. But I know it did not cost me anything to dream big. Dream give us meaning to make plans when you know your dream is important to you. Crazy that in 2022, I spent 7 weeks in Vietnam visiting my family. Then I took second international trip to visit 5 countries in Europe 14 days after I finished college. This trip opened up for me to dream bigger and start making my bucket list of future travels. I took my second international trip to visit 5 countries in Europe for 14 days right after I finished college. This is the second event. This trip opened up for me to dream bigger and start making my bucket list of future travels. Travel has been a fun part of our life well lived. I integrated our travel into my financial independence plan by setting aside resources and blocking out days or months when our children have school off so we can travel and explore new places that we have not visited before. I have visited over 70 countries so far. My family and I have traveled a few times each year to new places, experience new cultures, and check off our bucket list. Most importantly, we spend family quality time together away from daily routine, creating lasting memories and experiencing a lot of beautiful things the world has to offer. Here are the few reasons why we love to travel: to try new food and cuisines, to gain new perspectives and broaden our horizons, to see natural wonder and diverse landscape, to give back to the local communities by volunteering, to make a positive impact on the environment by supporting sustainable tourism, to gain personal growth, self-discovery, and to challenge ourselves. We have accumulated a long bucket list of lasting memories with our sons by witnessing their new experiences, from scuba diving in Maldives along with the white shark, to swimming along with whale shark in Cebu, Philippines, to zip lining on the longest zip line in Southeast Asia that was in Thailand, or trekking through the Himalayas mountain range with my oldest son in Nepal, and then got up at 5 a.m. to catch the sunrise, to smell the crisp air and hear the bird chirping in the background. Seeing our oldest son surf on one of the best ocean waves in the world, Padang Padang Beach in Bali. We hiked around the old fishing village in Malta, looking down the Mediterranean Sea. We hiked through the 11 beautiful waterfalls in Costa Rica. I had dinner with Matthew while watching the sunset in Dubai in our hotel. We walked the old town of Czech Republic to see the Christmas tree during the holidays and observe the locals enjoying their hot wines in the cold winter nights. They flip turns while skiing in Whistler and Banff. We did a night safari in South Africa to see all the wild animals in the jungle. Visited all the Caribbean islands by taking 15 cruises when our son was young. So taking cruises was really a great way for us to continue traveling comfortably while our son was still very, very young. While we travel, our son volunteered at an orphanage in Nepal. They taught English to kids in Cambodia and given resources to orphanage kids in Vietnam and Philippines. These are just a few lasting memories from our few dozen of trips that we took together. Life events will open up new dreams for each of us. We should be aware of them and start dreaming of the bigger ones. I started to have a new set of big dreams when I had the family. I wanted to take our older son to see at least 50 countries before he headed out to college. I indeed made that dream happen before he started college last year. We are on the way to do the same with our youngest one. We're very close to get there. I can tell you this is the best gift we have given to them. The gift of traveling is for them to experience new country with their own eyes. Nothing can substitute the experience. Traveling have given them a lot of surprising tests, and they get to learn some great life lessons afterward. Sometimes it can be opposite of what they have learned in school. In school, they learn first and they take the test. But when they travel, they take the test first and learn the lessons afterward. Number 2 is you need to know where you are now is not your final destination. We all come from different backgrounds and circumstances. I can tell you that it does not matter what your background or circumstances are, you have 100% control to make a new change to better your life. From career to personal well-being, to healthy relationship with your family and friends, and to be a great contributor to others around you. You have the ability to change for the better in your life. I know that for a fact. Financial independence is not a means to an end, but the freedom for each of us to seek to achieve and control how our time spent on the daily basis. Time is the most valuable asset each of us has. I also learned that humans are happy when they have the time to do more of the things that make them happy and fulfilled. One of my favorite quotes is, the biggest difference between money and time is that you always know how much money you have, but you never know how much time you have. My financial independence was built based on a few biggest dreams that I had 27 years ago. Freedom to do whatever I want with my time. Time to raise my kids, to become great adults. Time to take care of my mental and physical well-being. Time to cultivate my relationship with people that I love and close individuals. And time to help others around me. Money is such a great tool for us to buy time back. You may wonder how I can travel for an extended time while managing my real estate investment business. I use money to hire the best local team who managing the day-to-day operations in each location where we have our investments. I am super grateful to have talented people in my business. So share with me in the comment below, what are the meaningful things that you would love to do more of? Or do you have a new place that you dream to visit one day? Also, let me know what countries or traveling experience are you interested in. Some of these questions would help you to make a new plans and find a solution to start building a life well lived, or to live a life on your terms. Thank you so much for watching. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!